Hey guys, today I got this new TobenOne docking station and I want to test and compare to the one that I'm using right now. I always use TobenOne docking station. This one, for example, has two HDMI connection here to the monitors. So basically I have a MacBook Pro working with two monitors. This is a MacBook M2, all right? It was working pretty fine with this one, but I want to test the new TobenOne. Let me just approach here. So you see that's the one. You'll have here on-off button, 10 gigabits port, another one here with power, headphones input with microphone as well, SD card and micro SD card, 10 gigabits per second connection for USB-A. Here is an LED, so you see when it's on. And here on the back, you see two HDMI power, so you just connect the power supply, USB 3.0 and 2.0. Here a double USB-C connection to the MacBook Pro, and 2.5 gigabits per second connection to the Ethernet port, so it can connect to your router, right? So it comes with everything here. I have the cable, that's the double USB-C, and here the power supply, 100 watts power supply, right? So let me just unplug everything from here and connect to the new device. So basically, just unplug the cables. So I have HDMI and HDMI here. Just need to unplug from here and connect to the new docking station. So number 2 here and number 1. Okay, HDMI cables connected. And now the power supply. Let me just get the power supply here. Connect to the device. There we go. And just connect back there. There we go, power, HDMI, and now it's time to connect this cable. It's a double USB-C cable. So here, there's this special port. There we go, we'll connect it here. And in the MacBook Pro, you see that I have this port as well. It's close to the other one here, so USB-C, USB-C, double USB-C. Just connect it here, and everything is good. You see? Pretty nice. It's a nice setup here, and you see it's working already here on my screen. Okay, pretty good. I don't need this one anymore. Let me just disconnect the cable here from the other one. And now I have the new docking station working pretty fine. Let me just test here. Move this window around. You see, moves pretty fast, pretty responsive. Let me just grab another one here. There we go. Software, I'll always try here DaVinci Resolve, which is the software that I use for editing. So basically I have here working. Let me just bring here a video clean feed to the monitor number 1. There we go. So working pretty fine. And let's just take a look here as well. And the settings, right? So here, system settings. So you can see that I'm using a MacBook Pro. It's a M2 Max, okay? And something also important here, when I'm using this display manager software with the other docking station, this one doesn't need it because I don't see anything here, right? It's not here, so let me just make sure and quit. And there we go, it's still working with 3 monitors, pretty fine. I can just come here again to system settings and display. And here I can arrange the way I want. I can move. This is the laptop, the first screen, the second screen or monitor, working pretty fine. Okay, so pretty good. One more time, moving, working fine. And now without the DisplayLink software, so it's not gonna use resources from the computer, right? So pretty good. I'm gonna change and start using this one, not the other one anymore, because I prefer not using the DisplayLink software, but it's up to you if you want something like the other one that I have here, right? Or this new one that I'm testing right now. It's pretty good. I highly recommend this one. You can get it on Amazon.